right, hey, we are back at SEFF 2018. We're with Seth Arnold. He's on the sticks. We have a beautiful Tigercat, F7F Tigercat. This is built by George Valverde. He has an incredible collection of warbirds. Beautiful P38 Lightnings and everything else. But in any event, we're going to put his Tigercat up, or rather Seth is, and we're going to capture it for posterity. So I'm going to let that wing go by, and we're going to put this Tigercat up. So world champion pilot Seth Arnold is on the sticks. Hey George, this is an ESM, correct?
Yes, sir.
All right, and what's the wingspan?
83.
83 inch. And I'll try to stop babbling so much so Seth can concentrate.
Slide a travel area? I kind of put it there just in case it starts raining.
Okay, so you can hear the trims. Seth's trimming it out right now digitally, using it in the box.
Really close, actually. I don't think I gave it any elevator trim, actually. I think I just gave it rudder.
You have a mid-rate, high-rate?
I'm on high rate.
Okay. How's it flying?
Good. I got the gain pretty low, so I haven't kind of turned it up yet. I want to make sure it was trimmed first.
Okay, gotcha.
Okay, so the builder in the green shirt, and of course Seth there on the sticks. And there's the aircraft. It's an 83-inch ESM Grumman Tigercat. Tigercat was kind of too late to see action in World War II and almost too early for Korea, although they used him a bit in the night fighter role. The Marines did, the United States Marines did. But in any event, this was one of the biggest and meanest of the cats, the cat family, designed by Grumman, made by Grumman, one of the last of the fabled Ironworks aircraft, World War II fame, but
slowly increases the gain. You see, if you get across from that thing, it likes to buck. That's why I always like to say something's out there.
Hey George, real quick, while Seth is piloting his ship around, what is she doing for power supply or power system?
Well, 260 kV 6354s, I believe they are.
Okay.
SK3s.
Okay.
100 amp peak controls. They're only pulling 50 amps apiece.
Oh wow. Okay.
More in just to be safe.
All right. And what are we doing for battery power?
4 5000 40C 4 cells.
Okay. Outstanding. So 2 per system then. 2 per engine or motor rather.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Fantastic. Fantastic. Thank you, sir. And again, Seth is really just he's really just flying the aircraft, doing some sort of lazy circuits because he is slowly adjusting. He's adjusting the gains in the box bit by bit. There he is, Seth Arnold with Flex Innovations. And I think y'all all know who he is. His name sort of transcends a lot of the companies. He's a name unto himself. So okay, this is a gear pass, and basically all we're doing is we're checking to see that all the gear is down and locked. Also checking to see if the plane has any adverse effects when the gear comes down. Sometimes the gear comes down and planes do funny things sometimes when the gear comes down, but here we are.
Yeah, flap, no flap. Full flap.
Okay, we're full flap.
Stall's really bad.
And he absolutely greased it. Good job, Seth. Wow. Tell you what. Congratulations, George. Look, yeah, but Outstanding. There we are.
So I did turn the gain up a little bit from where we had it.
Okay.
But I mean, it was very minimal trim, and it was mostly rudder.
Okay.
A couple clicks of elevator, but yeah, feel pretty good there. We may add just a little bit of expo for you on the high rates.
Okay.
Yeah, feel good.
So you want to bring it back? Is it a hard program?
Yeah, so we'll get rid of the master gain because I was turning the gain up and down. We'll just set it to where I have it set now.
Okay.
And then we'll just add a little bit of expo for you. Should be good to go. Sure. Yep. Get the power.
All right.
Okay.
All right. Hey, thanks, guys. All right. Yeah, you're very, very welcome. All right. And again, we're with George Valverde. We're with Seth Arnold. We are with the 83-inch ESM Grumman F7F Tigercat.
I mean, it literally goes like this.
Yeah.
That's SEFF 2018.
Yeah, it was fine. It was